Tired of your Amex Hilton Honors points just sitting there? Let's unlock their true potential in the next 90 seconds. First, log into your Hilton Honors account on the Hilton website or app. Your points balance will be displayed at the top. That's your treasure chest. To redeem for free nights, search for your desired hotel and dates. The results will show prices in both cash and points. Pro tip: look for Points Explorer to find the lowest possible point redemption rates. Focus on hotels offering lower point requirements, especially during off-peak seasons. This stretches your points further, like getting more vacation for less. Select the Use Points option at checkout to apply your points to your stay. Remember to factor in any taxes or resort fees which may need to be paid separately. Alternatively, consider transferring points to Hilton's airline partners for flights. While not always the best value, it can be worthwhile during specific promotions. Check the transfer ratios carefully as they vary. You can also use your points for experiences, shopping, or even to cover travel-related expenses. Explore these options within your Hilton Honors account. Strategic redemption and keeping an eye on promotions are key to maximizing the value of your Amex Hilton Honors points. Now go ahead, plan your dream getaway.